First thing to do is to attach the DIP switch and make sure that it is located in the rightmost part of the breadboard, and put the jumper wire that connected to the on state of the DIP switch onto the power supply or the positive source. After constructing the circuit together with the IC and the lead light, we need to put the jumper wire from the pin 1 of the IC to the number 1 of the DIP switch. Here, we need to connect the pin 2 of the IC to the number 2 of the DIP switch. In this part, I connect the pin 4 to the light indicator. I noticed that the pin 4 is not connected to the pin 1, 2, and 3 of the IC, so therefore the lead light or the indicator light will not turn on in any of the given condition. Here I attach the power supply, 5 volts power supply. Adjust the DIP switch into the designated condition. 00, 01, 10, and 11. As we can observe, no condition produce output of 1 or an on state output. That's all. Thank you for watching.